combining variables, maps, mixins, and nesting into one real, complete button and card system. The actual compiled CSS updates beside the code at every step. This real map, from the maps video earlier, genuinely holds every color this whole component system will need in one place. This real built-in module, genuinely required to call map.get, is loaded once here for every lookup that follows. This real mixin combines a map lookup with nesting, two earlier topics working together in one genuine, reusable mixin. This real base.btn rule genuinely styles the actual shared shape and spacing every button variant will build on. This real nested selector combines and nesting with that include the same mixin genuinely produces the actual primary button's real color. This real second variant genuinely reuses the exact same mixin with a different map key, one real mixin, two real distinct buttons. This real card rule genuinely gives the actual card its own spacing, border, and a soft shadow to lift it off the page. This real nesting keeps the actual heading and price styles genuinely scoped inside .card, right next to the rule they belong to. This real badge genuinely reuses the same dollar colors map one more time, proving the whole real system shares one single source of truth for color. That's the full Sass series. Go build something real with it.